If you're trapped in corporate hell, watching your soul die one meeting at a time while your boss gets rich off your efforts, this video on why affiliate marketing is the perfect escape route will change everything. I walked away from my corporate job 10 years ago using affiliate marketing as my bridge to freedom. And now I run a multiple seven-figure business. And I've helped over 10,000 people escape the rat race with affiliate marketing. And these three powerful reasons explain exactly why it works so well for regular people who want out. Let's dive in. The first reason affiliate marketing is so powerful for escaping your 9-to-5 is that it requires zero upfront investment or inventory. Unlike starting a traditional business where you need tens of thousands for equipment, inventory, or storefronts, affiliate marketing lets you start with nothing but an internet connection and the willingness to learn. And in your first week, you can literally start making money by recommending products you already use and love. And no product creation, no customer service headaches, no shipping nightmares. You simply connect people with solutions they need and then earn commissions when they buy through your unique links. Actually, what kind of products do you like? I mean, let me know down in the comments and I'll tell you if it's actually a good niche or not. And the beauty is you can test different products and niches without any financial risk. And if a product doesn't convert well, you simply move on to the next one. There's no sunk cost keeping you trapped in a bad decision like there would be in a traditional business. Picture this scenario. You're working your regular 9-to-5 when you check your phone during your lunch break. And 3 affiliate commissions came through while you were in that pointless morning meeting. $150 from a software recommendation, $89 from a course sale, $67 from a book you reviewed last month. That's $306 in passive income while you were pretending to care about quarterly projections. This is exactly how I started. I was recommending tools and resources I genuinely used to solve problems in my own life. And when people bought through my links, I earned commissions. No inventory sitting in my garage, no customer complaints to handle, no products to ship, just helpful recommendations that generated income, whether I was at my day job or sleeping. And the key insight most people miss is that you don't need to be a salesperson. You are simply sharing solutions that genuinely helped you solve real problems. The products would exist whether you promoted them or not. So why not benefit from your honest recommendations? And once you're approved for affiliate programs, you'll get unique tracking links for each product. These links contain special codes that identify you as the referring affiliate when someone makes a purchase. Never try to hide or disguise these links. Transparency builds trust with your audience. You want to focus on finding affiliate programs for products you already use and trust. Join networks like ShareASale or ClickBank or individual company programs. Look for products with 20 to 50% commission rates and strong conversion stats. Start creating helpful content around these products like reviews, tutorials, comparisons, or how I use this post. The goal isn't to sound like a used car salesman, but to genuinely help people make better purchasing decisions based on your real experience. The second powerful reason is that affiliate marketing gives you complete location and time freedom. You're not tied to a specific location, schedule, or boss breathing down your neck. Your business works 24/7 across multiple time zones, generating income while you're living your life. And this was life-changing for me. Instead of being chained to a retail pharmacy location, I could work from anywhere with Wi-Fi. Beach in Thailand, perfect office. Coffee shop in downtown, another day at the office. My kids' sports events, yep, you guessed it, just another office, and an office that I used all of the time to create tons of content that's honestly still making money for months and years earlier. The beautiful thing about affiliate marketing is that it's truly passive once you build momentum. You create helpful content once, and it can generate commissions for years. I have a blog post from like 2015 that still drives affiliate sales today. Videos I made years ago continue bringing in monthly commissions while I'm focused on new projects. Imagine this. You're on a family vacation, completely disconnected from work stress when notifications start coming through. Someone in Australia bought the productivity software you recommended. A person in Germany purchased the online course you reviewed. Another buyer in Texas got the book you suggested. 3 different time zones, 3 different countries, all generating income while you're building sandcastles with your kids. This level of freedom is impossible with traditional employment. Even if you take vacation days, you're still thinking about work, checking emails, worrying about what's piling up on your desk. With affiliate marketing, your business actually works better when you're not actively involved because you're not trading time for money. To build this freedom, focus on creating evergreen content that attracts your ideal customers months or years after publication. Write detailed product reviews that rank well in Google searches. Create YouTube videos that answer specific questions people have about products you recommend. Build email lists so you can nurture relationships and make relevant recommendations over time. Use scheduling tools to maintain consistent content output even when you're taking time off. Buffer and Hootsuite let you schedule social media posts weeks in advance. Email platforms like ConvertKit or MailChimp allow you to set up automated sequences that deliver value and make product recommendations without your daily involvement. The goal is building systems that work without your constant attention. Set up email sequences that nurture your audience and make relevant product recommendations. Create content calendars that keep your message consistent even when you're focused on other projects or taking much needed breaks from the grind. The third powerful reason is that affiliate marketing has unlimited income potential with no ceiling imposed by employers or salary structures. In corporate jobs, your income is capped by budgets, politics, and arbitrary performance reviews. With affiliate marketing, your earnings are only limited by the value you provide and the size of the market you serve. This scalability is what makes affiliate marketing so attractive for people wanting to escape their 9-to-5. You're not trading hours for dollars like traditional employment. You're building assets that can generate income exponentially beyond the time you invest creating them. I know people making 6 figures annually from affiliate marketing working fewer hours than they did at their corporate jobs. The difference is they are being paid for results, not time spent in meetings or looking busy at their desk. And here's a real scenario. Your affiliate review of a high-ticket online course generates 50 sales at $500 commission each. That's $25,000 from a single piece of content that took you 6 hours to create. No boss can arbitrarily decide you don't deserve that money. No company politics can take it away. No salary cap can limit your earnings. The income potential grows as you build authority and audience. Successful affiliate marketers often earn more from a single product launch than most people make in 6 months at their day job. And unlike corporate bonuses that depend on company performance and office politics, affiliate income is directly tied to the value you provide your audience. And to maximize your income potential, focus on promoting higher ticket items and reoccurring commission products, software subscriptions, premium courses, and coaching programs often offer much higher commissions than low-price physical products. A $50 commission from a software subscription that pays you monthly is worth much more than a one-time $5 commission from a book sale. Build relationships with product creators in your niche. Many successful affiliates become trusted partners who get early access to new products, higher commission rates, and exclusive promotional opportunities. Some even negotiate custom commission structures based on their proven ability to drive sales. And I'll actually tell you a little secret about my supplement company as well, New Lifespan. And that's exactly what we do. We've got a affiliate program. We call it our ambassador program, but we offer our micro influencers or creators, anybody that wants to work with us, a lifetime connection to the customer. So it gives you a residual 20% commission on every product. And we basically just want you to drive us customers as leads, and we do the retarget marketing and future sales. And each time that person buys or that customer buys, you would get a commission, regardless of whether you reached out and touched them again. So again, there are a lot of companies out there that will make special contracts with you, and we're often looking for those that have a higher influencer status, and as they built their time in the creator market, right? And we make those special contracts and considerations for them to bring us more business. Anyway, that's just a side note. Sorry to get off on a tangent, but definitely great opportunities with affiliate marketing through these different specialty companies as well, like mine. But one of the main takeaways that I want you to get from this video today is that the key is understanding that affiliate marketing rewards results, not hours worked. Create one piece of content that resonates with your audience, and it can generate income for years. Build trust with your audience, and they will buy multiple products through your recommendations over time. As you grow, you can build multiple income streams within affiliate marketing. Different products, different audiences, different promotional strategies, all working together to create business that can easily replace and exceed your corporate salary. Some affiliates promote products across multiple niches, while others go deep in one area and become the go-to authority. Look, I know affiliate marketing isn't the get-rich-quick scheme that some gurus make it sound like. It requires work, consistency, and genuine value creation. But it's also the most realistic path to freedom for regular people who don't have trust funds or venture capital. You don't need special skills, advanced degrees, or startup capital. You just need the willingness to help people solve problems and the persistence to build something meaningful over time. The 3 reasons I've shared, zero startup costs, complete freedom, and unlimited income potential, make affiliate marketing the perfect vehicle for escaping corporate life. While your coworkers are complaining about their jobs, you can be building the business that sets you free. The question isn't whether affiliate marketing works for escaping your 9-to-5. The question is whether you're ready to take action and start building your escape route today. Start this weekend. Pick a product you genuinely use and love, and write an honest review sharing how it solved a real problem in your life. Include your affiliate link. Publish it on a blog, social media, or send it to your personal network. That single piece of content could be the beginning of your journey to freedom. While everyone else is dreading Monday morning, you could be building the business that eventually lets you fire your boss. Now, if affiliate marketing doesn't float your boat, maybe one of these other side hustles will tickle your fancy. So check them out, and I'll see you on the other side.